shiver grabbing Zelda. Or whatever this creepy thing is, right? Look how insane this is. This is complete insanity. I like it. A human, this is insanity. This is so creepy. The rise. Angry. Sharp foot. It's very creepy. Ishtar. It's pretty. Evil. Oh gosh, even the creepy like walking. What in the crap, man? Whoa. That's cool. It is shiny. BP. Yeah, let's have some stone somewhere. Yeah, let's have some stone somewhere. It's already crazy as it is. Might as well just have. I like the look on that face. See that look on that face? Isn't that a crazy try? Uh-huh. See how it looks? It's supposed to like put fear into you, and it does. It puts fear into you. That's what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to put so much fear into you. You're just like, what the heck is going on here?